In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Claude Code CLI theme. By the end, you'll have a clean, readable look that fits your terminal and your eyes, making long coding sessions much more comfortable. First, open your terminal. This can be any terminal app you normally use. Make sure it's using a font size and window width that feel right, because your theme choice will look slightly different depending on your terminal's settings. Next, type Claude and press Enter. This command launches the Claude Code CLI. You should see the interface load right inside your terminal. If it appears, you're in the right place and ready to customize. Now, type /theme and press Enter. This brings up the theme selector inside the CLI. Think of it as a quick built-in gallery for both color schemes and text styles that will change how code, prompts, and output appear on your screen. At this point, you can choose the text style and theme that looks best with your terminal. Different themes can affect contrast, syntax coloring, and overall readability. Some will be brighter and high contrast for well-lit spaces, others will be more subdued and comfortable for darker rooms. The goal is to reduce eye strain while keeping important elements of code easy to spot at a glance. Use the up and down arrow keys on your keyboard to move through the list. Take your time as you scroll. As you highlight each option, pay attention to how your eyes react to the foreground and background colors and how clearly keywords, strings, and comments stand out. Look to the bottom of the theme list to see a live preview of the theme. This preview is there to help you judge the balance of colors before you commit. Make sure the text is readable against your terminal background, and check that the accent colors don't blend together. If you primarily code at night, try a darker option. If you're often in bright environments, a higher contrast theme may serve you better. Once you've found the theme that feels right, press Enter on your keyboard. That confirms your choice and applies the theme immediately. You'll return to your normal view in the Claude Code CLI, now styled with your selected colors and text style. That's all there is to it. Open your terminal, run Claude, type or theme, navigate with the arrow keys while watching the preview, and press Enter to lock it in. If you ever want to experiment again, repeat the same steps to fine-tune your setup as your preferences or environment change.